right. So if you are looking for an online business that you can promote that will earn you consistent income online, you should be looking at this tool. It's called Leadsleap, right? So Leadsleap is an awesome online business that will pay you monthly recurring income. So they will keep on paying you for the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So this is an awesome online business. Let me show you how easy it is to promote this system and how so many people are falling over themselves to be part of it. Let's go to my Gmail account right now. So this is my Gmail account. Can you see my name there? And that's my Gmail address. So that's my Gmail account. And let me do a little search for you. Now look at this. Let it load. Now look at the number of Leadsleap referrals that I am getting every day. Guys, can you see that? New referral, 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 new referral. Can you see that? You can even look at the dates. Very recent. So many people are joining Leadsleap because this is a powerful tool. And I'm going to explain why this is the best business for you to be promoting right now if you want to earn monthly recurring income for the rest of your life. Now look at some of the commissions that I have gotten. So this is my Leadsleap account. So let me click on the profile so that you can see my face there. You can see my name. So this is my Leadsleap account. And when you scroll down, let's go all the way down to where you see where is it? Affiliate commissions. I click on that, and then you look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at the date and look at the number of commissions that is coming to me. You know, look at that. Look at the number of people that are joining Leadsleap through me, and you see the commissions. Look at that. How do you like that? And all these commissions will be paid to me every month, consistently every month, as long as they remain members of Leadsleap. I will keep on earning those commissions, guys. Can you imagine that? That's why I said this is the best business for a brand new beginner. Okay, so now let's talk about Leadsleap and why you should be promoting Leadsleap and making those monthly recurring commissions. Let's go to my notes immediately. So what is Leadsleap? So Leadsleap is an autoresponder. Okay, now what is an autoresponder? This is a tool that builds your email list and automatically sends out emails for you, guys. It's powerful. So every marketer in the world must have a autoresponder, because if they don't have an autoresponder, they are jokers, right? That means they are just joking online. There is no real affiliate marketer, online business that does not have an autoresponder. So that means this is an essential tool for every marketer. So that makes it easy for you to promote and make money with, because anybody that join you in Leadsleap will use Leadsleap for the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and it's powerful, right? So that's the first reason why you should be promoting Leadsleap right now. The second reason is this: Leadsleap is an email marketing and follow-up system. So if you have an online business, Leadsleap automates it for you. It's powerful, right? Then this third reason, Leadsleap is a website page builder. So you can use Leadsleap to build any kind of page you want to build on the internet, right? Any type of website, which is powerful. And that's why I told you, every marketer needs Leadsleap. Number 4, Leadsleap is also a free advertising platform, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Let me show you this. Look at the number of people advertising on Leadsleap for free. So Leadsleap is also an advertising platform that gives you free traffic, guys. Free automated traffic is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. And then number 5, as a pro member of Leadsleap, you will be able to earn 50% monthly recurring commissions, guys. It's amazing. 50% monthly recurring commission. That is where you make those income for life, because you are going to earn 50% monthly recurring commission. So how does this work? Okay, now you join Leadsleap for free. Immediately you join Leadsleap, you upgrade immediately to a pro member, because if you are not a pro member, you will not be able to get all those benefits. You will not be able to get free traffic. You will not be able to get those 50% commission. So if you want to join Leadsleap right now, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? So once you come below the video, go to the first link that says join Leadsleap affiliate system, okay? Go ahead, click that first link. Now, once you click the first link, that will bring you to this Leadsleap website. Now, listen carefully. Everybody can join Leadsleap for free, okay? Everybody can join Leadsleap for free, but if you want those 5 benefits, an autoresponder, email marketing system, website builder, free traffic to your link, and then you want to also earn 50% monthly recurring commission, once you join Leadsleap, you upgrade to pro. Let me sign again back into my account so that you will see, you can see my profile there, and then you will see that I am a pro member of Leadsleap. Very, very awesome. A pro member of Leadsleap, because it's only a pro member that can earn 50% monthly recurring commissions, which I showed you. That's a lot of money. If you bring in a lot of people and you are earning it every month, it accumulates, guys. It's powerful. Now, now that's awesome. And then look at the free traffic. Look at that. Let me show you the traffic that you get from Leadsleap. It's awesome. You can see my post. So as a pro member, this is only for pro members. Can you see that? Only pro members. And you can see 10 ads that I position for life. So these ads are going to be working for me on Leadsleap, and you can see already I've generated over 12,000 visitors, which are 12,000 customers to my link for free, guys, for free. So Leadsleap literally promotes your businesses for free. That is amazing. All right, guys, this is wonderful. So listen carefully, right? So you join for free, then you immediately upgrade to pro. $7 per month is not expensive for what you are getting. And if you just get only 2 people to join you in Leadsleap, your account is free. Now, apart from that, once you join Leadsleap, what you the next thing, get your affiliate link. Now, this is where you find your affiliate link. So this is my Leadsleap account. So scroll all the way down. You are going to see affiliate links. So you click on that, and this is the link, the home page. That is the link that you just need to promote to bring a lot of people into Leadsleap. It's very, very simple, right? All right, so once you have your link, then you go on Facebook and start telling people about your Leadsleap business. Easy, right? So I use my regular Facebook account, and I also promote on Facebook groups. That is how I'm able to build this business to this level, guys. It's just amazing. All right. So, guys, look, that's it. So if you want to join my team on Leadsleap, Okay, just go below the video, click that first link and join my team on Leadsleap. Now, for joining my team on Leadsleap and then you upgrade, you must upgrade. Once you upgrade, I am giving out 7 free bonuses. Let me show you those bonuses. Look at it. I call them the Victor free bonuses, right? And you can see there are 7 of them. So you are going to get free 1,000 email swipes from me. You are going to get a free classified ad headline, classified ad body, 200 pre-written ads that you can post on Facebook to generate a lot of traffic and be able to promote your Leadsleap affiliate business. You will also get from me 50 pre-made images that you can post on Facebook and generate a lot of traffic. Now, I also give you this free video where you can learn how to generate traffic through 4 free sites. And also, I also have a training course here that you get for free about Leadsleap so that you really know how to use Leadsleap, right? By going through those courses is powerful. So you get all these bonuses from me once you join Leadsleap right now and you upgrade to Pro membership, right? If you only Pro members are allowed in my team, right? Now, let me show you these 50 images that you get for free. Look at that. Just look at the images. How do you like all these images? You are going to get all these images from me for free, and you just copy them and post them on Facebook and just generate a lot of traffic, and you will now be able to earn all those commissions, easy peasy commissions, because you are promoting on Facebook for free. You are promoting on Facebook groups. Is that not powerful? That is powerful. And you get all these for free, guys. You literally get all this from me for free. How do you like that? It's awesome, isn't it? Amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you want to start making money today with Leadsleap? Is by joining my team. Go below this video, click that first link and join my team. Now, if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.